everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to add a light source to your scenes. So for this demo, we're going to be using the Two Planes template. I'm going to switch it to the square format for today, and then I'm going to import the 3 products I'll be using into my product library on the left. So the falcon, the pot, and the tube. And I just place them in the scene how I like. I'm going to tweak the sizes and the positions. Okay, there we go. Looks good. Now I'm going to click on the floor, go to the texture panel on the right, and select shiny metal to get that mirror effect. You can see in the preview we've now got a mirrored floor. So next I click on the background wall to change its color. I'll go with the pink to match the products. And since the floor is reflective, it picks up the same pink automatically. So now for the lighting. I open the Lights tab and go to the Mask category and choose Eucalyptus 2. So that adds some nice leafy reflections. Another way to add light is with a reflective sphere in front of the products. So I go to the library on the left. I'm gonna type in sphere and drag and drop one into the scene. I change its texture by clicking the sphere, and then in the texture panel on the right, I pick advanced material, and I'm gonna choose powerful neon light. So next I change the sphere color to something bold, like this purple, so the neon reflects on the products. Almost done, so I'm gonna switch to work view now, move the sphere out of the frame, and adjust how close it is to the products, depending on the lighting effect that I want. I can also tweak the look by moving the camera a little bit like this. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the preview, and here's the final result. I click on the top right, like always, to generate my render, and that is it. Tutorial complete.